Hello guys, how are you? Once again I'm back. I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier by profession with 32 years of experience. I'm Amazon best-selling author. I've written a book, Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. This is the book which got Amazon #1 bestseller. We've been talking about the various types of hotel owners. In my last 6 different types of owners we had taken. We had spoken about various types of owners. We covered inherited hotel owners, we covered status symbol hotel owners, year-say hotel owners, diversified hotel owners, fund houses, foreign investment or foreign return owners, NRI owners, and today we are going to talk about limited experienced hotel owners. This is also a special category where we find such hotel owners or investors getting into the business. These types of owners are basically, they are a combination of maybe NRIs, foreign return ones. There are few hotel owners who directly do their catering colleges, because most of the families, they send their children to catering colleges who have sound background, and they do their catering colleges, they come back and directly get into the business because of having good financial backgrounds. There are few hotel owners who have limited hotel experience. They work in few hotels here and there, good ones, big ones, small ones, and gain some experience and directly get into business. The highlight of most of these types of owners are their families are very well sound in terms of finances. They have good finance background, so they get a good support. Now getting into a hotel projects or hotel business, it is important to have finance, and finance plays a very important role. So what happens is good financials helps them move ahead. These people have limited knowledge, and so what they do is, with the finance background, they directly get into the business. They directly get into the business of hotels, and after reaching one level, they find little difficult because they don't have sufficient knowledge, they're not very sound in terms of technicalities. They get into a confused state and get stuck at a particular phase while doing the project, or even after doing the project during the operations. So what happens is, why such things happens? Because it only comes with their past learnings. Whatever they have learnt in past, whatever little knowledge they have gained from wherever they have studied or wherever they have worked, so that is the only storage with them, or only experience with them, which helps them to a certain stage. At one fine moment, they find them stuck. Then they get into talking to their well-wishers, then they get into talking to their some influencers, and most of the times these well-wishers and influencers are not from hotel. They don't have any knowledge about hotel industry or hotel projects or hotel operations or marketing, but yet they go ahead and give them advices, and eventually the investors or hotel or limited hotel owners type people suffer. So it is always advisable that, again I will always say, talk to the specialists, senior hoteliers, or any hotel brands or hoteliers who have spent good amount of time in the industry, they will be in a position to help you out. If you like my video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel. We are still left with 2 more videos to complete this hotel owner series, and then we will come up with more interesting topics as we move ahead. Once again, I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon best-selling author. See you very soon with my next video. As of now, I am winding up. Thank you.